Hi friends, welcome back. And in this video we will see, in this short video we will see how we can resolve this error that I'm facing, like I'm trying to create a PR. You might get that error while creating PR or creating PO or doing goods received in Migo. You can also get that time also. Procedure will be same to resolve that. So I'm trying to create a PR and I am giving, after giving all these mandatory data, once I'm clicking on check, I am just facing this error for the key. For the K4 physical year variant, no period is defined for that. Meanwhile, in real time, it's resolved by FI or financial consultants. But here, like if you are stucking and you are not able to resolve that, let me tell you how you can resolve that. So K4, you need to remember like what's the, for which physical year variant you are getting. So I'm getting for K4. So how can I resolve? I will simply open a new screen and I will use T code OB29. So let me use OB29. So hit enter, and here in this physical year variant screen, just go to position, and here physical year variant must be K4. So just give K4 here and hit enter, because I was just getting error for physical year variant K4. So this is my physical year variant, and you can see here simply this calendar year is not, this checkbox is not selected. Once I will select this checkbox and I will hit enter and save. So this I'm getting, the old period allocation will be deleted. It's okay. Just enter, press enter twice or thrice. Yeah. And then save it. Yes. So now if I will try to do that, I will able to do that easily, right? So what I will do, I will just try to create this again, just check it. So again I'm getting, but what I have to do, like I have to open this screen again and let me try to create this again by that same details. So I will just take that same fields here also. Right, now you can see unit of measurement. Yeah, now you can simply see that error is resolved, no message issued during check. So this is how you can resolve that error, simply by just following this step, and you can simply resolve that. So if you able to resolve that error with the help of that video, please like this video and share in your SAP circle, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.